Jason, one of the questions we constantly are getting is, will SkySwitch resellers be able to resell the BCM1 product line and services under their own brand? What's the answer to that?
Well, the short answer to that is not at this time. It's really, they're not set up to do that. They're going to direct bill. So if you want to get these services from BCM1, it's going to be more of a type of agent commission type relationship. But let's talk about some of those services that you can get. We just launched our Teams Connector, and it's a very valuable tool and feature that you can take to market and generate some new monthly recurring revenue. And that's what it's all about. But if you're not a Microsoft dealer, where do you buy those licenses? I mean, where do you find, Office 365 licenses? How do you source those? And this is part of what we're bringing to our reseller channel, the SkySwitch reseller channel, is some of these products and services that you can source them from BCM1, and they're supported by BCM1. So you're able to make those commissions off those products. Let's talk about connectivity. That's huge. I'm sure many of you have gone into new clients, existing clients that need to upgrade their internet. Maybe they want to move to MPLS. Maybe it's a 5-site MPLS deal that you would just take somewhere else, but now you can take it right to BCM1, let their team of professionals get it quoted, get it architected perfectly for you, and go out there and go to market, and then have a sister company of SkySwitch that's helping you fulfill that and support that and ensure just great service and uptime on that circuit. So, that's what it's all about. It's even though you can't white label it and bill it as your own, it's coming from BCM1, and you're going to be protected as a valued SkySwitch reseller.
That's so cool. Now, Jason, if someone orders MPLS from BCM1 for a multi-site location, is it going to be possible to connect the circuit at SkySwitch data center, or is it going to be better to have the better QoS experience by doing it directly with BCM1? Andrew Delia, can you answer that question? Because you got multi-site MPLS, you got our resellers connecting their customers to our POPs, and now you've got the BCM1 POPs. How do we do it?
Yeah, so day one, our MPLS networks that we manage and also resell, they won't again connect into the SkySwitch platform today. That is on our roadmap. We have all of our assets that BCM1 has been acquiring over time. We're working through that roadmap and tying into all of them. So SkySwitch is on the docket. Just don't have a timeline just yet, but that will be coming for sure. So it'll be an end-to-end QoS experience for your clients.
End-to-end. So explain why having that end-to-end experience is so important, and talk about some of the hiccups that can occur if you don't do it the right way.
Yeah, so end-to-end QoS, right? The benefit of that is call quality, right? Ultimately, when a client is leveraging the public internet, yes, the public internet is pretty solid. It has come a long way over time, but there are, congestion, especially now with a lot of people working from home. Some of those last miles and some of those smaller carriers are getting overloaded, and we are experiencing some call quality issues related to jitter, packet loss, and latency. So, having a QoS enabled end-to-end solution will guarantee that call quality from the customer's location all the way to the SkySwitch POP. So it is important. It's, something that clients, there is a demand for it. I'll leave it at that. That clients do come to us asking for QoS enabled end-to-end networks, and we're happy to build them. And, we will, if you have a client and it's I'll say a sizable client, we will build right away. So it's just something to bring to the table, right? Bring us the opportunity, we can review it. And again, putting an NNI into the SkySwitch network is something that we do all the time. So not into SkySwitch, but all of our assets. So we're pretty good at it.
So you're able to manage the last mile providers' connectivity in a way to ensure that the traffic moves at a consistent pace, so you don't have, as you said, packet loss buffer, jitter, rebuffering, any of the things that lead to a bad call. Echo, one-way audio, all those things are detrimental to a call experience. So by going with MPLS and BCM1, those companies that have a multi-site location setup or even remote location setups will be able to have a much better quality of service experience. That's what I'm hearing you say.
That is 100% accurate. Absolutely. And one thing just to add, all of the services that we do sell on the BCM1 platform, we include proactive monitoring and also remediation. So we have 24 eyes on glass, 24 hours, 7 days a week, eyes on glass, watching these services that we do that install for our clients. And where our NOC is sitting there watching, and should an alert go off, they're the ones remediating. So we add that extra layer of monitoring and management for our clients.